Hey guys, welcome back to Twoguysfinance. Today we're comparing two powerful finance tools, Taxfyle and AutoEntry. One takes the stress out of tax filing and the other saves you hours on data entry. So let's get started. When we look at their main focus, Taxfyle's main focus is on-demand tax filing with licensed professionals, while AutoEntry automates data entry for receipts, invoices, and bills. When we look at AI capabilities, Taxfyle's AI matches you with the right tax expert for accurate filing, while AutoEntry has AI scans, extracts, and categorizes financial documents. So we'll look at who or what they are best for. Taxfyle is best for individuals and businesses during tax season, while AutoEntry is best for businesses needing to cut manual data entry time. Let's look at the ease of use. Taxfyle has simple app-based tax process, while AutoEntry, you upload, it scans and syncs directly with accounting software. Now let's look at their pricing. Taxfyle's price is based on pay-per-use tax service, while AutoEntry has a subscription and you have volume pricing per document. So here's a breakdown. Taxfyle is like your personal tax assistant. Upload your documents, get matched with a certified professional, and your taxes are done without the stress. AutoEntry, on the other hand, is all about eliminating manual work. It scans invoices, bills, and receipts, then automatically categorizes and syncs them into your accounting system. The takeaway is Taxfyle equals stress-free tax filing on demand. AutoEntry equals faster bookkeeping with zero manual data entry. Choose Taxfyle if your biggest headache is filing taxes, and go with AutoEntry if data entry is slowing down your workflow. And you can also decide to use both to help you. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick finance app battles only on Twoguysfinance. See you in the next one.